percent off of our bundles. Or you can also get up to 500 pesos off of our bundles. Okay, if you guys do that. So go ahead and do that. So, eto na. Blooms, ready na ba kayo para sa best value? We will now be talking about, once again, the most awaited bundles sa gabing ito. Okay.
Yeah.
So ito ay perfect para sa iba't ibang looks na gusto ninyo. Meron tayong pang everyday. Meron din tayong, of course, we have here our lovely girls to be showcasing ang everyday kit. Okay? So it's perfect for fresh daily glow. Ayan. So go ahead, girls.
Yes, I'll go. So this is the everyday makeup kit. And we have...
Ano ang meron dyan sa loob, Sheena? Can you show it to us?
Yes, for the Pout Pop, lip plumping tint, it's in the shade Sinta. Yeah, Sinta. The very pinkish shade, perfect for everyday. And your cherry blush is Shucks. That's the everyday makeup kit.
Shock.
Wow, palakpakan naman dyan. So guys, yun ang ating everyday kit. So this kit is perfect for students, work, casual days. So ano pang iniintay nyo? Add to cart na, pre-order na, check out na!
Yeah!
Okay, ngayon naman, sa susunod is, we'll be having the soft glam kit. So girls, go ahead and let your blooms know, ano nga ba ang soft glam kit?
So, soft glam kit, ito yung medyo...
Ay, okay lang yan. New Year. Happy New Year. Ha? Happy New Year.
So, ito yung ano, medyo may atake na ng konti. Meron ng oomph, may ganon. So, first off, pero softy pa rin. First off, we have Cloud Lash. Siyempre, meron ka dapat ng ganito para mas buhay yung eyes. Next is Pout Pop in the shade Tasha. Ito medyo pinkish na nude, pero hindi siya super light. Next one is the clear lip oil para kitang-kita yung shade ng ating Pout Pop. Last one is the cherry blush in the shade A. Ito yung medyo ito mga pinkish to eh. So, maganda siyang combination. So, perfect for soft glam look. Yeah.
Alright. So, blooms, ang ating soft glam kit is for looking elegant. And this is it nga talaga na soft glam kit. And of course, kung gusto nyong mag-glow up, this kit is specifically for you guys. Okay? Like what Maloy said, ang atake nito ay, pakita nga nun isa pang roar. Ang cute. Okay. Up next, ladies, we have the Candy Pop Kit. Ayan. Sino gusto mag-explain ng Candy Pop Kit? Ayan. There we have it. Okay, go ahead.
Our next bundle is Candy Pop Kit. So, siguro ito yung mga very... Gusto nyo ng mga color popping, mga makeup. Yes, colorful. Ito, meron siyang Cloud Lash. And meron ding Cherry Blush in the shade Toot. And of course, meron tayong Pout Pop in the shade Juyon. And meron tayong Lip Jelly. Makikita ba dito yung shade? Ayan, in the shade Langga. Ayun. Very colorful, pinkish. And ano ba? Yan. That's it.
Alright. So, for our Candy Pop Kit,
Yeah.
so, ito yung kung gusto mo pwede plain makeup na. No? Am I right, girl? So, kaya siya tinatawag na Candy Pop. So, mag-pop siya, very vibrant na tingnan. Candy Pop Kit is for you, okay? So, kung gusto mo ng colorful vibe, add to cart mo na yan!
Add to cart.
Okay. Eto na. So, up next, so we have Discovery Kit. Eto na. Earlier,
Oh, here.
Manoy, about
Di ba ngayon? Okay. Ako ulit.
start ng makeup. So, itong kit na to is perfect for that.
Okay. So, ayun. Ang dami mic. Ito, Discovery Kit naman. Ito yung for the beginners, yung mga nagsisimula pa lang or gusto pang maging matutunan yung pagme-makeup. And parang almost same lang din, but different shades. Ayun, meron tayong lash, cloud lash. Meron ding Mardi na natural. Very natural lang siya. Ito, gusto ko to. Mardi. Tapos meron lip jelly din in the shade Padaba. Ano yung Padaba?
Kay Bicol.
Padaba Taka? Yun ba yun? Padaba Taka? Love Kita, ayun. Ang cute din nito. And of course, Cloud Blush in the shade Wow. Ayun. Ayun, para to sa mga hindi pa super nagme-makeup masyado. Perfect to for all of you.
Alright. So, ang ating discovery kit is for if bago ka nga sa makeup, tulad nung na-mention ni Maloy kanina and our other girls, ang discovery kit ay para ang cute nyo naman dyan. Our discovery kit is para sa inyo, guys. So, try it all. Perfect tong starter kit para sa inyo. So, ngayon naman, girls, nakakatuwa kasi. So, talaga namang lahat kayo, kilalang kilala yung mga products na you guys have personally, of course, chosen to make. Ngayon naman, ang gusto kong malaman, kung kayo, bibigyan ko kayo ng desisyon, kanino kaya bagay yung discovery kit? Yes, Sabini.
Queen of Makeup.
Oo, Queen of Makeup, let's go.
I knew it.
Kay Ate Kulit po siguro kasi, di ba? Parang ano pa siya, nagde-discover pa siya.
Lagi akong, hanggang ngayon, nagde-discover pa rin ako ng ano.
Pero magaling mo siya mag-makeup
Oy, hindi Lagi akong pumupunta kay Gwen. Gwen, retouch mo naman makeup ko.
Pero ang galing na niya mag-makeup, niya makeup niya, siya yung gumawa. Diba?
Uy, nabuak.
Do it!
Wag na. Baka mahawa kayo
What bad? Duality. Ito ano, how about you guys? Ayan. How about you guys? Ano ba kayo? Like clean girl? Alam mo na, cutie-cutie girl? Experimental. Depende sa mood. So ngayon, combining all of your outfits and theme, ano ang mood nyo ngayong gabi?
Soft.
Oo nga. Palakpakan naman natin our soft beanie girls for tonight. Kasi pa iba-iba na. Kasi it would depend on their mood. Okay, ayan. So, up next, how about the candy pop kit? Kanino bagay to?
Kay Ate Maloy.
Ay, wow.
Tsaka kay Stacy. Oo. Colorful.
Okay. So, ba't niyo nasabi na bagay kay, ayan, Maloy dito ang candy pop kit? Is it because of her features or her own, ano ba? Kinikilig ka, no? Okay, ayan. So, ayan. So, why, girls?
Ken. Because by the name, yeah, Candy, she's the sweetest, and Taku too is the sweetest. And kaya Ate Jo din po bagay Candy
Oh,
Pop
wow.
Kit. Colorful kasi vibe niya. Siya yung
Talaga ba?
pinaka-colorful.
So, sino sa inyo yung medyo monochrome, gano'n?
Si Mix.
Oh, wow.
Ate Colette Bebe. And Ate Jo din.
Parang lahat na napunta dun.
Ganun po kalalay visuals niya.
Ay, oo nga.
Bagay sa kanila.
Okay, ayan. So, girls, alam nyo ba, pagpatak ng 8:20, meron na tayong flash deal ulit! Okay, nakakatawa to. So, just like what I've mentioned, guys. So, meron kayong chance na mapunta sa inyo na instead na babayaran nyo ay 1,499, magiging 8 pesos na lang, guys. It's bundle of items, okay? So, now we're down to, I do believe, ilan pang meron tayong bundle of kit for 8 pesos? Ayan. We have here, if I'm not mistaken, okay, ayan. 1 minute na lang ang meron. Okay. So, Blooms, go ahead, tap more hearts, mag-comment kayo at share this live. At mag-check out na kayo para malaman namin kung sino ang ating lucky buyer for the flash deal at exactly 8:20 p.m. Okay. Tingnan nga natin yan. Okay. So far, meron tayong 21 million likes. Congratulations muna! 21 million likes. I repeat, nakakatuwa naman for tonight. At ngayon, okay. We will now be having our lucky buyer. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And now the flash deal opens. Go ahead, guys. Check out na kayo dyan. Tap na rin kayo. Let's share this. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Sino kaya ang ating lucky buyer for our flash deal for tonight na 8 pesos na lang? Okay. So right now, okay, good news! Beanie Loves, sold out! Maraming salamat to all of our Blooms. Naku, anong mensahe nyo? Wow! Parang sobrang surprised kayo dyan ah. Wow! What? Oh, what can you say? Girls, wala pang 5 minutes, sold out na! Wow! Amazing! Let's go! What?
Thank you, Bloom.
Parang may alam na akong bagong title sa lip niyo. What?
Yeah.
Okay. What can you say to your Blooms? Naku, nakakatuwa naman. Wala pang 5 minutes at sold out na tayo for tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, Blooms. Actually, kanina nung may nagmi-makeupan dyan, nagbabasa ako kanina sa ibang app, and sabi nga nila, unahan talaga siya. So, feeling ko, hinintay nilang mag 8:20 at talagang puksaan siya. So, congratulations sa lahat ng naka-add to cart, nakabilin. Sa mga hindi.
Congrats. How about the other girls? May gusto ba kayong sabihin sa fellow Blooms nyo?
Second floor daw.
Ayan, so, ayun na. Yes, Mika, ano masasabi mo?
Don't make me laugh. Thank you, Bloom. Sana nagustuhan nyo kasi we love it. And I know that you guys will love it. And we made sure na very pang everyday talaga siya. And for all, what do you call this? Skin colors? Yes, skin type, skin color, and the shades. They're really flattering. And I'm very happy we're all very happy sa results ng products. Yes.
Alright. Palakpakan naman natin our Beanie Girls and biggest congratulations! Okay, ayan. Maraming salamat muli sa aming Blooms right here. At ngayon naman, to my dear girls, handa na ba kayo for some game na talaga? Okay, eto na tayo. So ako'y uupo dito at sana hindi niyo ako tumbahin, girls. So, for our first game, eto na, parang kiddie party. Tayo ay maglalaro ng Bring Me Game! Okay. So, explain ko muna yung mechanics ng ating laro right now. So, ang ating Bring Me Game is not the same as other Bring Me Game, okay? Magsasabi ako sa inyo ng for example, ibigay nyo sa akin, and wait for my countdown of course, kung ano ang shade ni ganto at kailangan paunahan kayo na ibigay sa akin yun, okay? So, ngayon naman, may please invite ang aking ibang girls na dito sa tabi ko at yung iba sa kanan, okay? Para naman madali lang sa inyo kunin ang Beanie Cosmetics na you guys will be giving to me, okay? So, ang mangyayari dito is ang kasagutan ng aking Bring Me, siya ang magsasabi kung tama ba ang sagot ninyo. Okay? Eto na, excited na ba kayo, girls? Parang mas excited ako. Oo, babe. Okay, eto na tayo. Blooms will be having the exciting game. Eto na. So, parang dito ako haharap, baka makita ninyo. Okay. So, right now, eto na, ready na ang aking girls. Nakasurround sila dito for my first Bring Me. Eto na, girls. Bring me, bring me. Baka makita niyo eh. Bring me. The lip jelly shade that best fits Colette's personality in 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, nauna pala si Jelly lip jelly. Ay, Mika, you got it first. Okay, Mika, come here first. Come here. So, why do you think ito ang sagot sa aking Bring Me?
Because this shade is called Irog. Ano to? Tagalog, okay. The deepest super bagay kasi mukha siyang matapang. Pero pag sinuot mo na, soft ng looks. Yes. Yeah. Am I right?
Okay, ayan. So, where is Colette dito? Cute naman. Thank you, love. Napaka-sweet mo naman, love. Okay, ayan. So, Colette, do you think the answer is correct?
Yes, correct.
Oh, correct. Palakpakan naman natin si Mika. Tama kayo ng sagot! Okay, eto na. Up next, for my next Bring Me. O sige, dito na lang ako. Sa gitna ninyo. Okay. Oy, okay. So, to my dear girls, okay lang daw ba para mas challenging? Yung iba dun kayo. Tapos yung iba dito. Oo, tama. Para naman mas challenging talaga. Okay, andito ako. There we have it. Eto na. Oh, girls, eto na. For my next Bring Me. Bring me the eye candy palette with the shade named after Mika's middle name in 3, 2, 1! Sino? Natawa naman ako sa'yo dito, Sheena. Okay. So ano ang palette na binigay mo?
Yes, tama.
Oh. Go. Ano ang palette na binigay mo?
I gave you the Cotton Kisses palette.
Okay. Is it Cotton Kisses palette? Girls? Ayun, nawawala si Mika. Mika, nasan ka?
Sheena, palakpakan naman natin si Sheena. She is correct.
Okay, ayan. Nakakatawa talaga. Okay, eto na. Up next for our Bring Me. Eto. This is a cherry blush shade with the name of, starts with the letter S to. In 3, 2, 1, S! Ay, ang galing mo naman, love. Ay, ang galing. Naku, nagsiulugan. Ready na siya eh. Okay, ayan. So, come here, love and taste. Okay, so, eto. So, your answer is shocks. So, girls, is this correct? Congratulations! Love, that is correct. Ayan. So, girls, hindi nyo naman, ang dami talaga nag-send sa inyo ng mga gifts. Ano talaga masasabi nyo dito? So, to our dear Blooms, go ahead, tinan nyo naman. Check out din. And I'm highly encouraging na mag-pre-order na kayo dahil nagsusold out kami tonight. Hindi ba, girls? Yes! Okay, ayan. Now, meron pa tayong Bring Me dito. Okay, ito. Bring me, the eye candy palette with shades inspired by... wala pa! Inspired by... Stacy's given name! Ang bilis mo talaga, love. Ang bilis talaga niya. Lovely ka nga dito. Ikaw ba gumawa? Umamin ka, ikaw ba gumawa? Ang bilis bilis ng kamay eh. Teka lang, love. Parang, ikaw dapat yung sasagot kung tama to eh. Kaya nagulat ako siya yung nag-abot. Okay, so, do you think, girls, this is right? Tama ba? Tama ka ba? Tama ba tayo? Cotton Kisses is? Is it correct, love? Woo! Ay, hindi. Ay, naprank ako dun. Congratulations! Yes! So, girls, tinan mo naman, ang ganda ng packaging. Sobrang cute. Grabe. Okay, eto na. I do believe this is our, last one. So, bring me, ang Bini Cosmetic with Ayan na! Wow, ang galing ni Mig. Guys, kung sino yung nonchalant siya ang nakahanap ng bagay. Grabe. Okay. So, what is this one? A cherry blush. So, girls, correct? Yes! Congratulations again, Mika. Super cute. So, guys, this is the cherry blush with the shade. Okay, eto na. So, for our last one, ito na talaga ang ating pinaka-last. Bring me, the eyeshadow palette that Gwen used for the shoot. So ano to?
This one.
Hold on lang tatago ko dito yung sagot. Okay, so this is from, this is from Colette. So yours is, pareho kayo eh. Ikaw, love. Okay, yours is Cotton Kisses and, wala nang huhula. Okay, so, Cotton Kisses nga ba or Peach Pop? Okay, drum roll please. The correct answer is Peach Pop. Natawa naman ako sa'yo, Maloy. Okay. And right now, ladies, thank you so much for playing with me our Bring Me game. Okay. At ngayon naman, Blooms, as you guys can see, talaga namang nakita nun niya lahat ng mga produkto ng Bini Cosmetics. Ano pang iniintay nyo? Add to cart, pre-order, check out na! Okay, ayan. So, right now, we will be having the flash deal. Ayan, mega flash deal na tayo, guys. So far, congratulations, 23 million likes! Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Nakakatuwa, mukhang matutulog tayo lahat na mahimbing. Okay, ayan, there we have it. So now, for our flash deal, okay. So, eto na. Our flash deal will now be unlocked in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hala! Sino kaya ang ating lucky buyer? Let's see! Okay, and with that, sold out! Sold out Beauty Cosmetics! Okay, and sold out yung flash deal! Okay, there we have it. Congratulations so much. Okay, ayan. So, grabe girls. Parang hiningal ako dahil sobrang saya ko. Kayo ba? Masaya ba kayong lahat? Yes! Grabe, iba. Ibang-iba talaga. Okay. So, right now, may I please invite once again my lovely girls to come back to our seats dito. Ayan. Sige, Maloy. Dalin mo yan. Gusto ko maingay tayo. Okay, ayan. Wow! Eto na nga ating girls, lumalabas na ang kakulitan for tonight! Alam nyo, gustong-gusto ko kung paano kayo makulit. Super, super cute. Ayan, sige nga. Let's shake that bell! Yes! Okay, ayan. So girls, so far, kamusta naman ang gabi ninyo? Happy? Happy? When I say happy, you say birthday. Happy?
Birthday.
Happy?
Birthday.
Happy?
Birthday.
Sino may birthday? Wala. Yun nga eh. Para tayong mga ano dito eh. Okay, ayan. So far, girls, ano na ang inyong mga favorite memories so far for tonight na sineselebrate natin ang inyong very successful brand launching of Beanie Cosmetics? Okay.
Now?
Yes. Like for today, anong favorite memory nyo? Yes, isa-isa tayo, love stays. Okay.
Nakapag-makeup ako ng blue.
Yes! Palakpakan naman natin yan.
Ako po yung Bring Me.
Bring me
Yes,
Kasi
that's
parang
my
ikaw yung
favorite.
tabati-babib na nanalo eh. Love it!
Thank you.
Okay, how about my other Beanie girls right there?
Same with Maloy, being able to do the makeup sa Bloom.
How about you, Shayna?
Yes, with the blooms.
Me too. But, ano na lang, yung nag-swatch na lang.
Paano nag-swatch na lang? Paano naman si Mika? Mika, oh my God. Para kasi Mama Mary, no? Sobrang prim and proper niyan dun sa likod din, no? Parang, how could I achieve that?
Ano lang po, kuha po kayo ng off-shoulder top. Colors have to be white, cream, and then don't talk. Ngiti ka lang.
Naku,
No
paano
teeth.
yan? Kung hindi ako mag-talk, ay... Ay, tinan mo naman, no? Na-close up ba kay Mika? Ang ganda
Tara
ni
po,
Mika.
tara na po.
Love it. Okay, ayan
anong
na.
tanong?
Guys, i-announce ko na ang winner ng ating flash deal! Okay, congratulations to you, winner of our flash deal. Makakanalo ka ng ito nga ang nangyari ay 8 pesos na lang ang binayaran mo para sa ating bundle of items from Beanie Cosmetics. Congratulations to you at Christine _ diba? Oy, may double I yun. Baka marami sa inyo may Christine dyan, okay? Congratulations so much, Christine. Well deserved. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, girls, so far naman, tonight, ayan. So, nakakatuwa kasi talaga namang we've all gotten to know you girls one by one at yung sentimental meanings ninyo sa pag-name nyo ng products nyo, no? And that is really unique. Kaya naman, palakpakan natin muli ang Beanie Cosmetics. Ayan, okay? So, di naman kayo napagod tonight, girls, no? Ay, wow, may energy pa, girls.
Yeah.
Stay, ano ba, may energy ka pa? Wala, o meron pang energy.
Meron pa po.
Meron pa talaga.
Magpatawag pa tayo ng 8 blooms para make-upan ko silang lahat.
Love ko yung energy nilang 8, no? Grabe. Oh my God. So, eto na nga.
So, girls, so far, if it's okay to ask, so far you have 5 products in your Bini Cosmetics, no?
Yeah.
So, I'd like to ask, do you girls have any plans na mag-add pa ng more products in the near future? Ano, meron ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Sana kapag maging mas marami pa pong gustong makakita, makabili ng mga products. Why not?
Of course, palakpakan naman natin our girl right here. So, tama. So, guys, because of that, para naman, our Bini girls right here will be, of course, creating more products sa kanilang Bini Cosmetics line is, don't forget to check out!
Check out Blooms! Mag-check
Go
out na
ahead.
kayo. Check out!
Check out.
Check out.
Check out. Check out.
Check out!
Check out.
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 Check out. Check out. Out check.
Okay, ayan. Thank you so much, girls. Okay, para tayo nag-ano doon na Pinoyenyo. Ayan. Okay, meron pa tayong flash deal winner! Okay. By the way, I love your username, Okay. Congratulations to you for winning our flash deal at Raymond! Congratulations! Let's go! Okay, nakakatuwa naman. Sana pag bumili ako mamaya, may check out pa rin ako kasi sold out na talaga, guys, eh. Alam niyo yun, parang nahuli ako, eh.
Meron yan.
Laga ba?
Baka tinabihan.
Uy! Tulad ng mascara ko dito. Makakaloka. But anyways, ayan. So right now, to my dear Bini girls, ano na mga masasabi ninyo sa mga nanalo ng ating flash deal for tonight? Lalo na, sure ako lahat sila sobrang saya ngayon na nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na manalo.
Congratulations, Bloom, sa mga nanalo ng flash deals. Kasi 8 pesos lang yun eh. Siyempre, bawat piso ay mahalaga. So, alam mo yun, nakatipid na sila. Naging maganda pa sila. So, congrats!
Gumanda pa lalo.
Gumanda pa lalo. Wait lang. Don't quote me. Gumanda pa lalo. I redeemed myself.
All right. So thank you so much to my lovely Bini girls for that message. At tama nga sila. Maganda na nga kayo. Mas gaganda pa kayo, 'di ba? Dahil nga they have just won our flash deal from Bini Cosmetics. Okay, ayan. So, right now, are you guys ready to play some last game?
Yes!
Pag games talaga, doon kayo game na game eh, no? As a facilitator. Okay, eto na tayo. So, pass the bell kung sino yung feel nila sa ating laro ngayon, which is Let's Play Guess Who. So, each of our Bini girls will share their favorite Bini Cosmetics product plus shade. But first, she needs to act out a member. Okay? So, ngayon, what you guys have to do is, para siyang charades. You guys have to act out, for example, the person or a product that you're stating. And of course, kailangan mahulaan nila kung anong ina-act out mo. And then, onwards din tayo dun sa iba nating Bini girls. Okay, ayan. Or, act down or specific line na sabihin ninyo. Pero line lang baka naman explanation yan. Okay, line lang, okay? So, let's start. Sino ang gustong mauna sa atin dito? Wow, okay, let's go, Stace. So, parang charades lang. Okay. Ayun, just like what I've mentioned kanina, yung girl na yon, you need to explain your favorite product and act it out, tama? No naman, no need naman. Okay. Explain why is this your favorite product. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, girls. Okay, let's start. We have here our first girl. Shout your name, Bini.
Stacy.
Stacy, for the first one. Let's start. Okay? Oh, syempre. Actually, tinitingnan ka nga namin ngayon eh. Para malaman namin ano yan. Ooh. Cherry blush. Okay, cherry blush. Ay. Oh, oh. Yes. You have to... Yes. Okay yon. Okay, go ahead. From the start. From the start. Go. Mika. Okay. So, where is Mika dito? Okay, ayan. So, what's your favorite product first? Kindly explain it and why.
My favorite product and its shade is Irog because as you can tell, I've been mentioning it kanina pa. Very flattering siya on any shade of skin.
Agreed.
Like kahit maputi ka, kahit morena, kahit dark skin, kahit as in wala kang kulay sa skin mo, kayang-kaya niyang pagandahin. Yeah.
Okay, ayan. So, thank you so much, Mika. So, Blooms, check out nyo na. Add to cart din ang Irog shade. Okay. As you can see, bagay siya sa all types of skin color, no? Okay, ayan. So, up next, go ahead, Mika. Act out a member and you have to guess it. Go. Eto na. Sino yan? Hinamon. Oh, sino kaya yan? Okay, it is Beanie Aya that they were acting out. Okay. So, hi.
Okay.
What's your favorite product and why?
My favorite is yung the lippy and with the shade Nini. Lip Pout, yes. Kasi I love the shade. I love that it's named Nini, my honey child baby cakes. Yes. And yeah, I love it kasi when I apply it and put it sa lips ko, it's very light lang. And it's like I'm not putting on something, which is good for me. Good for everyday ano din, makeup.
Exactly. Yeah. So, Blooms, go ahead and add to cart and check out, okay? So, right now, Beanie Aya, go ahead, act out kung sino ang gusto mong i-act out among your Beanie girls.
Gwen!
Ano ulit yun? Ano ulit yun?
Ano ginawa mo daw ka din? Babe kasi siya eh.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that is Beanie Who Gwen.
My favorite is Pout Pop din, Natasha shade. Kasi yung shade na yun yung gusto ko rin talaga. Tapos sakto doon napunta yung Tasha. And si Tasha is my cat. So, yeah.
Oh, I love that. Okay. So, Blooms, add to your yellow basket, okay? And don't forget to check out and pre-order, guys. Pwede mag-pre-order, okay? Okay, eto na. Beanie Gwen, go ahead. Sino ang gusto mong i-act out?
Sino gagayahin ko? Ay, sige. Wala ka kayo. Sino to?
Joanna.
Oh my God. Natawa naman ako doon. Paano yun? Wala siya dito. So, kunyari ako siya, ganon?
Sige.
Ay, hindi. Parang malayo. Who else would you want to Sino pa? Sino pa ang gusto mong i-act out dyan?
Wala sa karakter ko. Wait lang.
Wala lang siya.
Okay, belo-belo ka lang dyan. Pwede ka namang mamili. Medyo marami-rami naman sila dito.
Ikaw na. Hampas.
Yung tawa na nangahampas. Oh my God, Beanie Stacy, that's you?
Yeah, it's
Wow,
me.
palakpakan natin yan. Pareho tayo Stacy. Okay, so, eto na. What's your favorite product and why since hindi ka nakasagot kanina?
Ang favorite product ko is cherry blush in the shade A because I love the color. Medyo pinkish siya. Tapos bagay siya for my skin. And ayun lang, bagay siya for everyday din. Pwede rin siyang pang performance. Kung gusto mo lang mag-makeup, ganon. Ayun.
Alright. Thank you so much right there. Okay, now, Stacy, last one na lang. Last one.
Last one? Okay.
Last one. May hindi pa natatawag sa inyo? Last one.
Ate Maloy.
Sino yun?
Si Ate Maloy.
Okay. Sino? Si?
Sheena.
So, sino ba? Si Bini Maloy or Sheena? Nalilito na ako, guys, Ano na kasi gabing-gabi na eh. Okay, Bini Maloy, ito na. Okay. So, before we hop on to our next segment, ito na lang. Ano sa tingin mo ang most likely magiging paborito ng Blooms sa lineup of your Bini cosmetic products?
I think the cherry blush kasi multi-purpose siya. Pwede siya
Ay,
sa
ito yun,
eyes,
yeah.
sa cheeks, and sa lips. Alam mo yun, on the go siya kung anong gusto. Kasi yung pout pop, it's plumping. So pag nilagay mo siya sa cheeks mo, baka mamaga yung cheeks mo. Pero yung cherry blush kasi, kahit saan pwede. So, yeah, di ba dito?
Tama.
So yeah, that's it.
So go ahead, you guys. Add to yellow basket yun na yung cherry blush because it's 3-in-1 purpose. Pwede raw ito bilang eyeshadow, cheeks at lips. So saan pa kayo, di ba? Kaya naman, go ahead, okay? And now we still have 2 more flash deals! Dahil kasi talaga naman pinapakita ninyo ang pagmamahal ninyo para sa ating Bini Girls right here. We still have 2 more flash deals, okay? At magsisimula na ba ang ating flash deal ngayon? Okay, let's start. Eto na. In 5, 4.
Yung timing mahirap. Yeah.
Okay. So, right now ba, like, have you went back to your hobby of playing volleyball to learn that?
Actually, I just went back kasi gusto ko rin like ng activity so that maging physically fit pa rin ako. Kasi
I love that.
hindi na kami everyday nakakapag-training. And I feel like volleyball, kahit nakakapagod, as long as it's something you love to do, you'd make time for
yan.
it.
Totoo yan. So, palakpakan naman natin right here si Mika. Thank you so much for sharing. Ay, ang cute talaga ng ating girls for tonight, no? Bakit? Cotton ka ma? Yes! Okay, ayan. So, unfortunately, we are currently running out of time already, okay? So, we'll be having a recap first of what we have done and experienced for tonight. Okay, ayan. So, to our lovely girls right here, please kindly get muna these products first. So, recap. Once again, we have here 5 products na ipapakita ng lovely Bini Girls para sa inyo ngayon to my dear Blooms. Firstly, we have the Quad Eyeshadow with 3 shades. Pakita nga natin yan sa camera. Again, Quad Eyeshadow with 3 shades. Pakita naman natin yan sa camera. Okay. And of course, up next, meron din tayong Lip Plumping Tint with 8 shades. Ito talaga. Alam ko marami sa inyo paborito ito. And of course, up next, we have here lip oil with 5 shades. Ito yung kanilang very own lip oil. Okay, now, up next also, we have here the cherry blush with 5 shades. O, diba? Tapos, ang aking personally favorite experience kanina by Mika, 2-in-1 mascara. O, diba? Okay, and of course, once again, to be a part of our recap, we had 4 bundles of everyday makeup. And we also had as well yung Discovery Kit,
our Candy Pop, and our Soft Glam for our 4 bundles. And of course, we also had the 5 bundles of only 8 pesos for the flash deal of bundle with items. And of course, we also have the limited edition photo cards, regular individual photo cards, and duo photo cards. Okay. So right now, to my dear girls, I'll be giving this mic to you. Let's all kindly encourage all of our blooms na check out na bago maubos ang ating
Check
time.
out now! Let's go, guys. Come on, come on.
Now, check out, share it with your friends. Sabihin nyo,
Check.
nagbibenta kami.
Out. Yes, and
Now.
yeah. And we hope you guys will love the product.
Yes,
And
check
now-
out Blooms.
Thank you so much right there to my mini girls. So, thank you, Blooms, for making history with us tonight. Palakpakan naman natin all of our Blooms! Especially all of our viewers right here who gave us 26.7 million likes.
thank
Amazing.
you.
And of course, keep shopping Blooms. Dahil lahat yan available pa sa TikTok shop. And we may be ending our live stream, but this is just the beginning of the Beanie Cosmetics.
Thank you so much for tonight, Blue.
Yes, thank you, Blooms. Maraming salamat po sa
All-
pagsama sa amin sa live tonight. And mag-check out kayo. Thank you po for supporting Beanie.
Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung products.
Yes, and you can follow Beanie_PH and Beanie Cosmetics.
And guys, last flash deal! Let's go! Check it out! Out! Check it 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 out! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Check out!
Now, let's see. Go ahead and check out dyan, mga Blooms, para malaman namin kung sino ang aming lucky buyer for the flash deal. And with that, flash deal is sold out! Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Okay, thank you so much once again to our Blooms right here with us. Nako, girls, paano ba yan? Sold out. At ito pa, hindi nga umabot ng 1 minute eh. O, diba?
Grabe kayo,
Ubusan
Blooms.
talaga tonight. So far to my lovely girls, sorry, hindi nga laudan na. How's your experience so far tonight?
Sobrang happy po kami na nagustuhan po nila, na-check out po nila yung brand na Beanie Cosmetics. Thank you, Blooms!
Okay, a round of applause right there. Once again, thank you so much to all of our Blooms, to all of our viewers. And of course, thank you so much to our lovely Beanie ladies right here. Round of applause right there, okay? So you guys can exit already, okay? Alright, so ngayon naman, with that being said, here comes, indeed, a way to close the live stream. Right now, let us roll the VDR!